Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a ThredUp box here to unbox with you guys. This is a ThredUp denim rescue box. I don't remember the total I paid, but I will put it on the screen. I did have a credit. This time my credit was from selling items to them, not referral credits, but I always have my link below. If you guys have never shopped at ThredUp before, you can use my link to save some money, and it gives me a discount as well. So I always appreciate when you guys do that. I use them to buy these boxes and to share them with you, share these videos with you. So anyways, like I said, this is a 30-pound denim box. And the reason I'm filming at the bottom of the steps here is because as you can tell, I'm probably out of breath. I just carried this out here from inside the house, and I did not want to try to carry it up my very narrow and scary stairs. So I'm filming right here at the bottom of the steps. So I don't have to haul this all up. I'll just haul up the stuff that I actually want to sell. So let's jump in. The first thing I see is this Citizens of Humanity denim, which I actually do like selling this brand when the style is right. These ones are a size 27 and they actually look really cute. They're a wide leg, kind of a barrel leg, which actually is popular right now with a little bit of distressing, but not too much. They're a button fly. I'm just checking for flaws because often these boxes are full of flaws, but I don't see any flaws on these, which is really exciting. So I could probably sell these for like $35 to $40.
So I actually want to break in here real quick because these ended up being way better than I realized. So these jeans are a very specific style that is extremely popular right now. They have this like bowed look to them and they're called a horseshoe jean. And from this particular brand, they sell very well. So I priced these at $165. I'm hoping to get at least $145 from them. Just listed these yesterday and I already got one like on them. So yeah, definitely look out for these.
So that already is a huge score. I'm gonna make a pile of stuff I am selling right here. Get organized. Okay. Here's the little tissue they throw on top. Just one little piece of tissue. Okay, these I will not sell. These are Old Navy, the Flirt jeans. They're size 2, so very small size as well. Light wash denim. They actually look like they're in good condition, but it's a skinny jean, a light wash, and an Old Navy. So not a brand or style that I like to sell. So I will set these aside. I'll probably either send them back to ThredUp or donate them. Another pair I won't be selling. This is Hollister. These are a size 1, which is really small. And they're a skinny jean with a lot of distressing. So the style just does not move for me with this heavy distressing. It's almost like a jegging as well in a tiny, tiny size. So that's not something I can sell, even though condition so far and everything looks really good. Another pair of Hollister tiny skinny jeans. Again, same exact size. And this one has actually, it looks like non-factory distressing. It looks like somebody blew their knee out on those ones. Those are not sellable either. It's kind of reaching back here to see what I can't. The nice thing about this setup is I can't see until I grab it. This is a pair of Hollister again, but these ones are size 3, so a little bit bigger, but still not something I can sell. And again, these just have way too much distressing and they're a skinny jean. Just that style just does not move anymore. These are a pair of Celebrity Pink, which is a juniors brand. They are a cutoff denim short in a size 30. Size is good. I might actually just throw these in the bag to take to Plato's. I'm going there later today. That might be something that they would take, but typically I don't sell junior brands because they just don't retail for a lot, and so the resale just isn't there with those brands typically. Here's another one I'll probably just take with me to Plato's because I think it's Shein. The button just says jeans. There's no branding anywhere, so I think it's probably from Shein. And they are size small, which is an odd sizing for denim. And they are a cute style though. They're like a wide leg, bit of distressing, gray jeans. So I'm gonna put these, again, they're in good condition. So far condition is great on this box, which is good because a lot of times the denim box is full of things with bad condition. But I'm gonna set those in the pile for the pile for Plato's. Luckily I am going there later today. These are more Hollister jeans. I bet these all came from the same person. Same size, size 1. Another kind of skinny fit. Super lots of distressing. I don't know what to do with all of those. Maybe I'll lot them together. I don't know. This is the Curvy Perfect Vintage Jean in a size 28 from Madewell. I do like this style. I've sold this style before. Madewell jeans do not sell very quickly anymore. These do have a raw hem also. This brand just moves very slowly. So what I've started doing is I don't pick up the skinny jeans anymore. And the ones that I pick up, I price them only for $20 to get them moving. So that's what I'll do. I will list those, but I'll only list them for $20. What in the world is happening here? That's interesting. Okay, so these also look like they're Shein. They're size small. They have an interesting style with this kind of like raw edge down the leg, and then they have a released hem there. And they have this weird thing right here. I think someone put this on where you can cinch it up the waist with this little clasp. You can undo it or do it back up and it cinches the waist. Is that interesting? I've never seen that before, but that's really clever. Anyways, zip fly, size small. I'll bring these to Plato's too. Another like unbranded but good style, so maybe they'll take them. All right, we have some more denim shorts, by the way, have been selling like crazy in my closet. These are Shein size small, so I'll just throw these in the bag for Plato's as well. I don't know if they'll take that style. It's not that great of a style, but we'll see. Maybe. Okay, Old Navy curvy. These are the mid-rise. It doesn't say the rest of the style. They're for short boot cut. They're a boot cut. Oof, I don't know. I just don't like selling Old Navy because you can get them so cheap when they're on sale at the store that I just don't feel like they have enough retail value to hold a resale value. So I'm probably not going to bother selling those either. Okay, what are these? Blue Spice. So, okay, this is a Juniors brand, colored denim, size 5, so small size, colored denim in a skinny fit. These are absolutely everything that I would avoid. I don't ever sell colored denim because it does not move. Skinny jeans don't move. Juniors brands don't move. So these are going to go in the donation pile. Oh my God. This box is a win now, you guys. Okay, so far I have 2 pairs that I'm selling outright. The 7 for All Mankind and those Madewell jeans. And then I have, looks like 5 items I'm taking to Plato's, so I might get $1 or $2 for those. But these are the winner of the day. Let's make sure they're in good condition. A Goldie, size 28. Now this brand doesn't sell as well as it used to, but it's still a really good brand for a denim box. It is a button fly, light wash, wide leg. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's a good style, you guys. Let me just check for stains or flaws. I don't see any. Minor wear at the bottom, but still very sellable, very wearable. Oh my God, they've been modified. I wonder if I can take that out. It looks like I can take that out. Yeah, so what's happening here, the reason that they did not take them at ThredUp is somebody put a stitch in right here to cinch them up, but I think that it can be easily removed because they did a terrible job. So with a thread, what do they call those little things that you can remove threads? I think I can take that out. I might even see if my mom will help me out with that because she is, I mean, she might as well be a professional seamstress. She's really good at sewing. So I might see if she can help me fix these because if I can get that out, these would probably sell for $50 to $70 because they're a good style. So I'm gonna set those aside to repair, but I think I can get those fixed, which would be really exciting. Okay, that made the box for sure. And everything else is just gravy here. Here's another pair of Juniors jeans, size 9. Just not a good style, very dated. And these ones look more worn than anything I've seen so far in the box. I think this is more Shein. Let's see. Yeah, this is Shein, size 26. These are like an acid wash. Kind of a wider leg though. So this will be a good one to take to Plato's. Although it is spring, summer, like right now it's May something, middle of May. And they're very like season specific. So I don't know how many jeans they're going to be buying right now, but I'll bring them anyways. These are great. I just sold a pair of these this morning. Judy blue size large denim cutoff shorts in a size, I said size large already, didn't I? I just sold a pair of these for $35 this morning, so I will list those for sure. Oh, more skinny jeans. These are J brand though. It's a good brand. I'll probably just throw these right in a box to ThredUp because this is a brand that ThredUp would take typically, but they are dark wash blue skinny jeans, so it's just not a style that I want to try to sell. All right, what do we got here? Falls Creek, I've never heard of that. Falls Creek, I'm gonna have to look this one up because I am not familiar with this brand, Falls Creek. These are a boot cut though, size 4, so it is a style that I would like to sell and they're in great condition. So I'll check on brand. If this brand is decent, I will sell those because they're in great condition. Wax Jean, this is another Juniors brand, and these are another skinny jeans, so I'm not going to try to sell those. We'll set those in the no thank you pile. There's a lot in this box. I feel like they overloaded this box for what I normally get. These are Forever 21 and they're size 26 skinny jeans, so I'm not going to bother with these either because they just don't have enough original value for resale to hold any resale value. J brand again. J brand, but again, another skinny jean. And I don't see oh, here's the size 28, so a bit smaller size. They have the seam like right down the center and the raw hem, so I'll probably put those in a ThredUp box like the other ones. Oh my gosh, you guys, this box is so full. This is cute, actually. This is a vintage, the limited skirt, size 4, and it's a denim skirt with the buttons down the front. So this style like is a cute enough style that I think it will carry it, so I'll try to sell that. Another Juniors brand, wax jeans, button fly skinny, so we'll put that in the other pile. I am thinking in my new house I'll be able to do garage sales, so maybe I'll just save some of this stuff for a garage sale and just try to sell it for like $1 a piece or something. I don't know. More Madewell. Perfect vintage again in a full length, size 25. So another perfect vintage jean. This style does sell for me sometimes. Condition looks good. The only thing is it is a small size, and like I mentioned before, Madewell's not selling super fast, so I'll just list them for 20 and hope for the best. More Madewell. These are a gray jean in a Cali demi boot. Oh, I just sold this style before, but again, it's a size 25. And it's gray, not the best color. So I'll just list those for 25 also. Okay. Ooh, I dropped the box. Just USA. I think this is just a Juniors brand. Skinny black jeans. So I'll put those in the no thank you pile. Okay, sorry, my box fell down. More Judy blues. These are a straight leg. Oh, they're a boyfriend fit. Okay, so these are okay. Size 7. Not like the best, but I'll still try to sell them. They've got a lot of distressing, so I'll probably only list those for like 20 to 25. But I do like selling Judy blue. Rue 21, another really like more affordable jean brand, so it just doesn't have a resale value. We'll put those in the no thank you pile. More, so much Juniors brands, you guys. Arizona, no thank you. The skinny Arizona. So this was like the box of skinny junior brands, but that's okay because I got enough wins in this box to make it worth it. This is another Juniors brand, size 6, no boundaries, so won't be selling those. Okay, so we had a lot of Juniors brands and a lot of skinny jeans. Those are all going in the, I'm either going to send them back to ThredUp, donate, or maybe do a garage sale. So I don't really expect to get more than, maybe $1 back on them, but probably not even that. I have one pair to repair, the Goldie jeans, which I think is the winner of the box, if I can get that repair. And then I've got 8 pairs that I'm selling outright, which is actually very good. I'm actually happy with that. And then I have 5 pairs that I can take with me to Plato's tonight. So I actually think that this was a really good box. I'm actually really happy with it, even though the majority of the box was stuff that I wasn't going to be able to sell. That happens a lot with these denim boxes, but there was enough good stuff in here. These boxes are pretty cheap for their rescue boxes. I think there's enough in here to make a very good profit. So I'm very happy. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Would you have bought this box based on what you saw in here? And that's it for this video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.